These crosses are handcrafted by legendary wood carvers in 17th century in Peti, Laguna, Philippines. This town is famous for its artisans. Old story says that during the time of sickness and natural disasters, people placed these crosses on the hill, asking God to watch over the town. Pilgrim visit here every year on Easter and Christmas. This place is on the top of mountain, so when it damaged with rain, they rebuilt these 3 crosses with the cement. We can see the aerial view of the town from this place.